Hey, hi Sony. Good morning. Priya, good morning.
Hi.
Hey, good morning. Hi,
Good, good
good
morning.
morning.
Good morning.
So, another day for hitting.
Yes, yes.
So, you drive hold the gold ring.
Okay. Mm. Close
Hey
your eyes.
Rahul. Yeah.
Hi, everyone. Okay, let's
Hi
start.
everyone. Yes.
Close your eyes. Keep your hands facing, palms facing upwards. Keep your spine straight and take 3 deep breaths. Inhale from your nose and exhale from your mouth. Now, place your right
Yeah.
hand on your heart and repeat after me. Just believe whatever you are saying. I am grateful to be in the place of greatness and abundance.
Yes.
I have all that I need in order to succeed.
I have all in order to succeed.
I take challenging paths and win it.
I take challenging tasks and win it.
I am courageous.
I'm courageous.
I am brave.
I'm great.
Fear is just a feeling. I overcome it and move forward.
Day by day, I'm improving.
As the day passes by, I reach closer and closer to my goal. I install constructive thoughts in every single day and keep progressing in that way. I am the source of inspiration and upliftment for all the people around.
Yes.
I am optimistic.
I'm optimistic.
I achieve my goals easily and I am an achiever.
I'm achiever.
I am winner.
Yes.
I am a leader.
I'm leader.
I am successful.
I'm successful.
I am doing whatever it takes to reach my goal.
Yes.
Let all these things inside. Believe in all whatever you said.
Yes, really. Yeah.
Take deep breath in and breathe out. Now rub your palm and roll it on your eyes. Slowly open your eyes.
Yeah, that was good stuff.
Some disturbance is coming, I believe.
Yes, yes, some echo is coming. I don't know. I was no using my headset, so I removed it. Maybe some problem from your end. Can you please plug it ears headset so that the echo will not come?
Right now, I don't have a go on with it.
Okay.
You plug
Actually,
in
I
one
plugged it.
ear. You plug
Huh?
in your earphone. We'll see whether
Yes,
it
yes,
will.
I plugged it and maybe some problem was coming, so I removed it.
Okay. Okay, now we'll continue for today with
Yeah.
my. Okay, start reading the first board. Roll your fingers on first board.
Yeah.
Read it out. Hear it back and feel it.
Read out the personal goals with adding some emotions with art touch and think like it is not I mean we didn't achieve this one and what will be the consequences and why we are not achieving it till now. So we have to think in that perspective also. And it should be very time frame, right?
Okay. Just close your eyes. Fast forward yourself and start imagining you have already achieved it. And everyone are asking you what is the secret behind your fitness.
Yes.
And everyone is waiting to take your interviews. You have become that great.
Yes.
You are so positive enough. Everyone are asking you how to become that positive, how to reach that extreme point.
Yes.
And everyone are asking you for decisions like how to make best decisions like yours.
Yes. Smile on your face.
Yes, with a smile on your face. You're so proud enough that you have become that great and you are making other people great as well.
Yes.
You're preparing so many leaders.
Yes.
Let all these thoughts sink inside and believe everything what you said. Don't doubt anywhere.
Yeah.
Now take a deep
Believe.
breath in and let it go. It will come back to you. Now slowly
Awesome.
open your eyes. Okay. Now read your financial goals. Roll your fingers on it, read it out and feel it back.
Yes.
Okay, now close your eyes. Fast forward your life and imagine that
Yes.
you are looking back into your life, whatever has happened, what are the things you have done to become so great. You have
Guys,
achieved
stay.
all your goals. You are so excelled in that field, whichever you have chosen.
Yes,
You are in the topmost position and making others to become topmost as well, helping others to
yes,
get into such a way. And money is overflowing towards you. You are creating your own empires, and everyone is trying to know what you are doing. Everyone is searching
yes,
like what you have done before to reach that position.
yes,
All your friends, family are so proud of you along with you.
yes,
Think of all these things with a smile on your face.
yes. And just believe on it. Yeah,
Now take a deep breath in and let it go. It will come back to you.
come back to the normal position.
Open your eyes.
Awesome.
Now get back to your fun and adventure goals.
Yeah.
Roll your fingers, read it aloud, and feel it back. Now close your eyes and start visualizing. You are in a place where you want to be. You love the most. You are in that place.
Yeah.
You have gone to beach and
Yeah.
you are sitting there.
Hey, beach I already went. Please visualize for some other thing.
Okay, fine. So what else you want me to visualize? That I'll do, tell me.
Uh, like big. Let's go Switzerland.
What? What?
Switzerland, or somewhere. I mean,
Okay, fine.
the beaches. Yeah, yeah,
Mountains, okay?
yeah. That will good.
Okay, fine. You're walking. You're first of all you're trekking to reach the top of the
Yeah.
mountain. Many of your friends are there with you. You are cherishing every single moment.
Yeah.
Even though it's difficult for trekking, you are trying hard and hard enough to get up there.
Yeah.
But you are so fit enough to climb it because it has been so many years and you are working out from so long. And finally you have reached the top of the mountain along with your friends. From there you could see everything around, like a greenery. All you could see like all big trees as small, very small. And from down to like up, it is showing like trees are growing from smaller to bigger.
Mm-hmm.
And you could see so many colorful flowers you have never seen. Some are
Yeah.
pinkish, some are purple, some are yellowish,
Yeah. Beautiful.
some are white. So many flowers you are seeing.
Yes.
And sun is slowly rising now.
Yes.
And that sunbeams are falling on you.
Yeah.
You're feeling so pleasant. And that cool breeze is touching you.
Yes.
It's like saying hi to you.
Yes.
You're feeling so blissful.
Yes.
It's like you want to pause and be over there for so long.
Yes. Shall be on the top or let's paraglide from there?
Okay. Then now you guys to come back.
Okay. So suppose we have parachute with us,
Okay.
uh, and from the top of the mountain we are jumping, and
Okay.
we are flying like a kite or birds, and
Nice.
we are moving from here to a big forest. There are big trees. We are in front of, on top of trees. We are in like anything, slowly, sadly, slowly on
Nice.
in the forest. Forest, lot of greeneries, big trees, birds. A lot of animals are there. Elephant,
Okay.
big trees, and we are landed safely there, and we are enjoying the weather, enjoying the nature.
Yes.
Yeah, greeneries are there. The big forest is there. Yeah, okay. Let's come back. Otherwise, lion will come and he will eat it.
Okay, fine. Take a deep breath in and let it
Yeah,
go.
yeah. God, lion didn't come.
Nice, nice. Okay, fine. Now come back to your contribution goals.
Yes.
And every day, like think how you can contribute to society or the people around.
Hmm.
That is also
Hmm.
like society itself. Think of that first, keep some time and think about it, like around 15-20 minutes or 10 minutes is also fine. Is even a small thing is also fine. Okay, now
Yeah.
go back to contribution goals, read it, feel
Yes.
it, touch it, feel it.
This is also very important, right, for balancing our daily life. We have
Yes,
personal things, financial things,
yes,
fun life we have lived, but this contribution also, if we are not doing it, then we will not doing the fullest, right? So
yes.
this is also a one type of one kind of balance. Balance is Did right. So
Yes, try to give some time for each of the pillars
yeah,
every single day. Yes.
according to you, what do you want to do for society?
Uh, right now, like I thought of what orphanage, setting up an orphanage, like in 6 years or
Okay.
so. I planned
Okay.
for that. Mm. And like helping friends mentally,
Mm-hmm.
financially, and if possible, like going to old age homes and like celebrating my birthday over there, my daughter's birthday over there. Like in future after
Okay.
getting job, I plan to all these things. What are
Yeah.
your thoughts
Good
about
one.
it?
Uh, I didn't think much, but yeah, whenever time comes, then the older age people, I mean, after some time, if they are, I mean, they are not doing anything, they are not able to do for themselves. So for them, I would like to do something.
Okay, now close your eyes. Start visualizing your contribution goals as if you have already achieved. There are so many people around who are seeking your help. You are going to them and helping them, finding out what are all they need, and giving them the hope of life. And
Yes,
they are inspired by you and they want to help many more people as well.
yes. Sharing is caring.
Yes. Everything you are getting, you are making a share, you are giving a share of yours for others.
Yes,
A part of share is fixed that you will be definitely giving to them. You are committed for that and you are doing that.
yes,
That share might be in terms of food, in terms of money, in terms of clothes, in terms of shelter, whatever it may be. You are doing your best.
yes. Can provide only one person happiness now, that is more than enough.
Yes.
So
Even a single person feel happy because
yes,
of you, that is
yeah,
fine. That sense of satisfaction will be great
yes,
and
yes,
that will trigger
yes,
you to do more and more.
yes, yes. And changes will come automatically if one
Yes.
person has came happy for.
Like all other things, we don't need to do great things in the beginning itself. We keep on doing small things that will pile up and become great at some point of time.
Yeah, nobody is perfect here. Just believe on the process and everything.
Yes, we have to believe on the progress we are making every single day.
Yeah, progress.
Have a smile on your face.
Yeah,
Now slowly rub your palms against each other. Oh, sorry. Take a deep breath in and let it go.
yeah,
Now slowly open your eyes. It was really nice. You guided me
Yeah,
so well.
you drive so well actually.
Thank
And
you.
think like a society is very happy, and there is lot of pieces. How it is looking like we have went for 500 years ago, like Ram Ravan Krishna Yug.
You know what? When we are
Every
talking, when we are like chatting in the group, I'll feel like we are college friends, and after that, we have made some group and we are chatting. I'll feel like that every time I come into the group.
yeah. Yeah, we were discussing like we need to do this one, we need to do that one, right?
Yes,
So like feel like we knew each other. I mean, from long time, right?
yes,
But
yes.
it is only one
I
month.
also feel the same. Like
Yeah,
we all feel like so, we all know each other from so long. Like that, everyone will be
yeah,
supporting each other. That thing will make us feel like yes, we are all like one family and we are caring for each
yeah,
other. Yes, everyone
yeah,
will be giving
and
their
and
thoughts. Huh.
yes, and we have a great mentor, Tausif Bhaiya. He is
Yes.
also watching us. Hello, Bhaiya, how are you?
Hello, Tasif. Okay.
Yeah.
What else?
Yeah, so
It's,
very good time with you, Sony.
thank
And
you. I too had a great time, and my fear is going day by day. I'm
yes, I'm
becoming
also, yeah,
stronger,
I'm
braver.
also, I'm also feeling the same actually. When I came, joined to this session and all, right? When I came first time, right? So, you didn't believe like what I will say in front of all the people, all the crowd. The first time live I was there. The first
Yes,
time when I came.
I was
Yeah, so
on.
lot of fear was there, and lot of things. So yeah, but when Tausif Bhaiya said like, yeah, you have to come and you have to drill the goal drill. So is I said I was nervous at that time what I will speak and all. So
Hmm.
when I came, then it automatically fears gone like and started like anything.
Okay. Like before joining Advanced Life Transformation, I thought when Tasif said like we need to come live, I was thinking what to do. I don't know many people how to come live and all. But I thought okay, fine, let's take step. I am into the game like life transformation, and let's go ahead and we'll see what's happened like that. I thought and came, and I'm really enjoying each and every moment. I'm doing like I never thought some things I'll do like writing blogs, making videos and all, but I'm doing right now. I'm so happy for that.
Hey, you are doing great actually. You are so consistent,
Thank
and
you.
whatever you
You
are,
are
yeah, blog writing, video making, daily learning stuffs, everything. I mean, quick response like anything.
thank you, thank you. You are also so consistent. Like from so
Sometime it
long you're
comes, sometime it,
consistent actually.
yeah. So sometime it happens. Sometime I'm not able to do, but yeah, because of
Sometimes
some
yes,
sometimes means like 9 to this period of time, but in between also I'm trying to make the video.
yes, yes. If sometimes that happens, that will like trigger you more that you have to do more and more, and you will put your more best things. That is why sometimes, some or the other times we miss. Unknowingly also
Yes,
we'll
yes,
miss, but that time we'll contemplate and we'll do more and more.
yes,
That
exactly.
happened to me
Yeah,
actually. Okay.
yeah. So thank you
Okay.
so much, Sony, for your day, and best wishes
Okay.
for your whole day.
Okay, thank you. You also have a
Yeah,
great
yeah,
day, and all the people who are watching also have a great day. Let's
yeah,
attack the day. Okay, fine. Sony
yeah.
signing off.
Okay.
Shall we go? Okay.
Yeah.
Yes,
We
okay.
have 7-5 actually.
Yes, yes. Okay, fine.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Bye bye.
Bye all.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye bye.